jump ball again to Wancho to Peter. Peter trying to shoot to pass to but cross tack score. And ako, jump ball pass to Wancho back to jump ball trying to shoot to 3 points no count. It's still by Manikat to Tony Pet. Kaya bola, pinasa kay Lee. Ayan na si Lee. Tumirang parang nagkalangan siya kung papasok o hindi eh. Pero pumasok. 62 points. On to Peter. Again. To Noel. Lakbol Wancho, knockout rebound by Daddy Alfred, pass to Manikat trying to shoot the 3 points, but a fake. Pass to Morley, back to Manikat, Daddy Alfred, hesitates, pass to Manikat, pass to Ray, back to Daddy Alfred, on under, pass to Tony Pet, shot clock violation. For free! Ganda sana, nilagay shoot. Pass. Long pass to Manikat, nagkalanganin siya. Tinawag mga kape, pinasa na Lee. Black back tao to, black back. Ano yung black back? Ginilap, sa back. Ayan na po tayo. Mga Morley, talaga na ang bola. Remote. Up for leg. No count. Rebound by Jambo. Jambo, diretso nga yan. Diretso na nga. Dito, Manikat po ang kanilang balahan. Pass to Story. Naglasana naman ako. Pasok malalim. Jump ball, dala-dala bola. Jump ball, pass to Noel. Reach to 2 points only, step in. 2 points only. Step in the walk. 3 points. 2 points lang. Very good. Lead pass to sa ilalim. Pass mo next team. Noel. Nakakuha ng bola. Pass to Wancho. Pinasa kayo ito. Nice to si Orly. Diretso. Ayan, diretso. Uy, nag-side step. Ang tao sa step niya. Tambay step. Yan ang tao ng tambay step. Kasi konti lang eh. Uy, muhan. Para Philippine step. Left to Jambo to Noel. Left to Mr. Peter. 2 points. Long 2 points. Counter. Manikat. Dala-dala ko. Si Manikat. Nahanap ko pa ako sa akin. Pinasahan ko si Mr. Ito. Pero pinasa. Outside the ball. White ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Chris, pass to Ramsey, layup! Parang ano lang. Varsity layup. Ano nangyari na? Foul? Sino yung number 2? Robert. Foul, Robert first. Ang ganda ng kilo. Ilang pumas na rebound ni Norbel. Norbel to Jong to yung pangalan. Back to Jong. Ganda ng pasok. Okay, akan problem dengan sisi kira. Normal, dan count. Okay. 3 points. 3 points na lang, correct. Robert, pass to Norbel. Pinasa kay Sherwin, pinasa kay Joe. Si Joe, diretso, ngunit nagkaman, binigay kay Robert, tumira sa free throw, hindi pumasok na rin daw ni Donski, pinasa kay Abe, sa Chris, si Chris. Foul si Chris. Maliit na bagay. Okay. Chris for the second one shot. Now coming rebound by Jonas, Chris, back steal. On the one, layup, hindi pumasok. Joe. Rebound na Ramsey. Foul. Number 18. Jump dalawang bola, inasa kay Lopez, dito na yung 3 points, pero fake pass. To Sherwin, side favorite shot. Favorite.
Second quarter lang.
Kaya gamitin na. 10 seconds. Anong pass na yan? Chris, muntik na. Okay, second quarter pa lang to ha. Dito, dito second na pa. Second quarter pa lang to. Tama pa yan. Juancho. Juancho, talaga lang wala. Naghanap na papasangan. Pinasangan si Noong. Joel Marcos, complete at shoulder break. Pinasa kay Jamon. Jamon, ang ganda ng pasa. Ngunit hindi kaya yung walang pasa sabi ni Noel. Orly. Ito yung back pass. Ano score natin? Score is 17-12. Lamangan. Prostats. Sangkaban. Steady. Tayo pagkatawan kay Lane. Kaso may shoulder daw sa Lane, kaya baw. Tignan mo yan, para sikat. Peter. Pinasa kayo yun. Tira mo na! Hindi ko pagkakatawa na. Francis, ako na! Tira mo na! Yun! Okay lang. Ano ko ulit? Ayun, pinatulit to. Ayun, pinatulit ko Japon. Yamo, kasusunod, hindi na kayo Manikan for 3! Abangan nyo yung warmer ng Lumiere. Dior ang warmer namin, Dior. Tapos ang sapatos namin, LV ang business namin. Tapos ang ano namin, wow, yaman mo Alex. Ni-request pa ng tao. For 3! Thank you. Ako lang nag-charter. Ako lang. Just... Bakit ka pwede ka rito mag-charter? Kailangan mo lang yung cable na USB. Come on, girls. Juancho, talagang wala. Tumitingin pa sa likod. Sabay tira sa free throw. Uy, hindi pumasok sayang. Juancho again. Up. Jump ball. Rebound again. Jump ball. Count it. Huwag kayo magpakita ng Treva Prostax. Ako po. Prostax. ganda ng pasa. Uy, yun na naman. Oh! Okay. Oh, yung pumasok na rin ni Orly. Si Orly. Oh, pinasa kay Joseph. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng shoot. Wow! Boys, ganda ng pasa. Ay, pasok naman ni Mr. Joseph. Hindi ka pinaya ni Francis Orly. Ayun na po. Ayun na. Nagbabalik yung pass to Mancho. Outside ball. Nakapik ni Mr. Orly. Ganda ng pasok. Ngunit maglakang. Orly. Nakabela na ako. Tinipit na sa kamay. Hindi lang pumasok. Peter for three! Nag-count. Baka tulad ng tulog papasok. Hindi mo mapasok yung masyon ko. Ginawa niya, pinasugan niya yung ring, masyado daw mataas. Meron ka naman siya. Lay back pass to ngunit na ito siya ni Mr. Jampol. Jampol pass to Jampol pinipit kay Nanan. Sabi niya, ito ako 5 minutes, ba't black ka pa rin? Tapos tax ka. Now it's Music Manila Cup. Ito, Marlo, ang ganda ng ikot. Ayun na, nakabuha nila Umski. Mr. Solano to pass to Chris to senior. And masuk. Robert, sabi na wait. Sabi na wait. John, talaga lang, wala. Pass to Robert, sabi na wait lang ulit daw, pinasa kay John. Ginagamit. Pag mag-reset. Hindi, pag mag-reset. Yes. Victor. Ayun, Victor. Hindi mo masok. Tulad pa rin kanina. May lamang. Nakakay hindi lamang. Hindi nga eh. Dapat lipat na lang natin yung mamaya yung scoreboard doon para kita na lahat. Ito yun. Tuloy natin. Lipat mamaya. Sa second game na natin lipat. Hindi. iiyak. Check.
Number 7 for second free throw. Rebound by number 7 again. Basket by number 7. Set. Big dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4, blocked by Leonos. Number 7, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to Sir Ramsey. Easy basket by Sir Ramsey of RSN. Rios dribbling the ball. Pass to excellent goal. Pass to Daddy. Alfred Daddy. Open shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Vitor drives to the basket. Foul by number 7. Who's foul, rep? Foul number 7. Foul number 7, Jonas. Number Big missed his first free throw. Last throw for number 8, Big of Pro Stars. Last throw for Big. Basket by number 18, Vic. Mark dribbling the ball, pass to Chris, intercepted by Vic. Chris, easy basket, no good. Rebound by Jonas. Muna natin, where's our music? Hello, sir. Hello. Really found the ball, pass to Orly. Orly, pass to, back to Sherwin. Sherwin, pass to back to Sherwin. Orly naghanap ng bola. Sherwin walang mamasahan. Sherwin drives to the basket. Easy 2 for Orly. Number 22 by Orly. Kuya was na-open. Teddy nanakit. No good. Rebound by Sir Tony Pet. Nagmamadali. Sir Tony Pet. Basket plus a foul for Sir Tony Pet, number 23. Bonus shot for Sir Tony Pet. Basket. Our score 32-28 in favor of Pro Stars. Kuya Was, pass to Sir Noel. Sir Noel, pass to Peter Chong. Drive to the basket, easy 2 by Peter Chong. Arlie, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Tony Pet. Drive to the basket, foul. Foul by number 49, 99. Manong Teddy. Foul by number 99. Sir Francis inbound the ball, pass to Sir Norbel, to Sherwin. Sherwin to Orly. Orly drives to the basket. Fouled by Sir Noel. First free throw, no good for Sir Orly. Second free throw, basket, half shot by Orly, number 20. Kuya Was, nagbaba ng bola. Pass to Kuya Teddy. Teddy, power move to the basket. And John Paul for an easy two. Score 36-29 in favor of Prostax. Sherwin, no good. Rebound by John Paul, pass to Peter, to Kuya Teddy. Foul by Orly. Orly talaga unang nakahabok. Malaki doon. Inbound by Teddy. Pass to Sir Noel. Sir nagamit ng papasan. Peter Joe. Peter Joe was fouled by Sir Francis of Joseph. First personal foul by Sir Francis.
Hello.
John Paul open for three. No good. Rebound by Sherwin. Sherwin pass to Orly. Orly
San Juan City ako.
dribbling the ball. Pass to Sherwin.
Mamaya na. May ginagawa.
That's 2 points by Sherwin. John Paul to Teddy. No good.
Ha? Mamaya, tawag ka mga.
Sherwin.
Bukas na lang kaya. Bukas na lang.
Sherwin back to Orly. Orly dito on the pit. Francis. No good. Peter John nagbababa ng bola. Sir Peter lays up.
Okay.
Easy two by Peter John. Uy. Tama yun.
Okay,
Tama. Tama yun, sir. Who's foul, ref? Number 22. Substitution, ref. 5 minutes. Palit 5. Our score, 38. Lay Arellano, pass to Kuya Derek. Lay. Pass to Daddy. Daddy Alfred to Kuya Derek. Open for Ian. Trios. 2 points by Trios. Yamar. Pass to Ate. Automatic. Basta si Kuya Abel tumira. 2 points by Kuya Abel. Kapatid ni Kuya Derek na nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Daddy Alfred. Daddy, pass to Kuya Derek. Daddy open. Easy two for Daddy Alfred. Kuya Mark. Kuya Mark. Pass to Abe. To Boss Lapsi. To Jonas. No good. Rebound by Daddy Alfred. Derek. Stolen by Mark. And pass to Chris. To Jonas. Nice break. Derek Manigan. Pass to Leo Arellano. No good. Nakuha ni Leo. Pinasakay. Joe. Drive to the basket. No good. Rebound by Leo. Hindi labas pa. To Danny Alfred. Libre. Danny Alfred. Nice pass by Danny Alfred. Danny Alfred. Pasa ba yun? Pasa ba yun o kapos? Kuya Mark. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to Boss Ramsey. Open. No. Nice shot by Boss Ramsey. Hangs in the air. Easy 2 by Boss Ramsey of RSL. Derek Manigan. Out of bounds. Last touch by may foul right? Wala. Wala na. Excited. Rebound by Boss Ramsey. Pass to Chris Mix. Right to the basket. Foul. Foul by John. Lucky foul. A pushing foul by John. First foul by John. First free throw, Chris, no good. Second free throw, Chris. No good again. Rebounded by Jonas. Jonas is in the Rios. Pass to Lee. Back to. Stolen by Kuya Abe. Abe. Perimeter shot, no good. Rios. Pag na-shoot daw, time out. Rebound by Jonas. Pass to. Out of bounds. Time out. Time out. Bola ng Exile. Lane. Stolen by Chris. Foul by Derek Manigan. Bosmar, pass to Jonas. Easy 2 by Jonah. Derek Manigan. Stolen by Chris Mix. Chris Mix, nagmamadali mo ba ng bola? Chris Mix, bumangga sa pader. Bumangga sa tiyan. Yung pwede yan. Tarsik. Foul. Tapos foul. May foul pa rin po. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Last touch by Derek. Boss Ramsey, lumipad. Easy 2 by the Skywalker. Boss Ramsey of RSL. Derek Manigan, pass to Jong. Jong, nagpapasahan ko. Daddy. No good. Rebound by Jonas. Boss Ramsey, nagpapadali. Lalakad ulit sa ere. Boss Ramsey, hands in the air. Back to Chris Mix. No good. Block by Derek Manigan. Pass to Daddy. Tuloy Arellano, Lay. Power move sa ilalim, no good. Jong. Shot clock violation. Gamma Pro Lights and Sounds. Peter Chong to John Paul. Stolen by Orly. Nagmamadali si Orly. Ay. Nahawakan. Inaamin ni Boss Peter. Inaamin ni Boss Peter, nahawakan. Pass to Gostomski. To Kuya Was. Servitor na libre sa 3. No good. Rebound by Orly. Orly nagkakaroon ng bola. Pass to Ross Sherwin. Automatic shot by Ross Sherwin. Pag ano ang tira ni Sherwin, automatic na yun, di ba, BJ?
Tama, magandang favorite shot.
Yun ang favorite siya. Kaya dapat binabantayan niya. Sir Noel, pass to Boss Peter. Naku, nalibre sa 3. Boss Peter, naku, sure ball na yan. Ilista mo na. 3 points by... 2 points lang. Sorry, 3 points. Long 2 points by Sir Peter Chong. Tony Pet, pass to Sherwin, automatic na naman yan. No good. This time sumablay. Out of bounds, last touch by Prostax. By Exile. John Paul nagawa ng bola. Paso back to Domsky. Kuya Domsky. Pass to Kuya Was. Diretso. 8 seconds, shot clock. 8 seconds, shot clock. Diretso to John Paul. No good. Rebound by Joe. Ay, Victor pala, Victor. Pass to Sherwin. Sherwin, easy 2. Automatic. Basta ganun. Automatic shot by Sherwin. John Paul, nagmamadali. Pass to Bostovsky. Easy 2. No good. Rebound by Sherwin. Back to Orly. Norbel. No good. Rebound by Kuya Was. Kuya Doms. Pass to Kuya Was. Blocked by Tony Pet. Foul Orly. Ilang foul na? Orly, second personal foul. Kuya Was, please. No good, rebounded by Tony Pet. Nagmamadali. Tony Pet. Layup. No good. Loose ball foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 24, Boss Peter Chong. Substitution, rep, substitution. Victor out, Trios in. Jonas, sino kapalit ni Jonas? Jonas in, Kuya Was out. Trios, nice fake. No good. The rebound ni Tony Pet. Open for the Trios again. Orly to right. Nice shot by Orly. Chris Mix na nagtitipon. Open for 3 to Mira. No good. Rebound by John Paul. Stolen by Tony Pet. Nagmamadali si Tony Pet. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 12. 7. Jonas. Number 7 ang foul, number 7. Jonas to second personal foul. Wait. Substitution, right? Mamaya na. After the second basket. Second free throw. Substitution, right? Leo in. Norbel out. Our score, 52-48. 4-point lead by Prostax. Jonas Pass to Boss Ramsey. Ramsey. Goes in there, no good. Rebound by Rios. Tony Pet. To John. Foul. Timeout. Pro Stars. Who's foul, Rep? Foul ba yan? Foul? Hindi naman. Second personal foul by number 19. Number 19, second personal foul. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Wala pa pong penalty. Rebound by John. Rios. Out of bounds. Last touch by X-Side. Aben Rostak. Panipet to Leo to Orly to Rios. Foul was Ramsey. Number 28. 20 ba? 20 na. 2 points by Sir Tony Pet. 2 points na lang naman. 2 points. John Paul. Dribbling the ball. Open for 3. Basket. 3 points by John Paul Chong. Orly, dribbling the ball. Pass to, stolen by John Paul. John Paul, sure ball daw, sabi ni Boss Mark. Timeout! Extra 8 seconds for the fourth and final quarter. Orly, dribbling the ball. Pass to Joe. To Trios. Stolen by Number 3, 5 personal fouls. Trios graduate. Free space pass to Peter Chong. Naging sa tres. Short. Rebound by Boss Ramsey. Hangs in the air. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Last touch by Orly. Same ball. Last touch by Orly. Boss Ramsey. Pass to Boss Peter Chong. Nalipis sa tres. Short. Rebound by Tony Pet. Pass to Orly. Orly nagmamadali. Pass to Daddy Alfred. Daddy. Easy to by Daddy Alfred. Peter Chong. Pass to Chris to Jonas. Offensive foul by Jonas. Substitution rep. Lea Arellano out. Norbel in. Ilang fouls na? Third personal foul. Jonas, third personal foul. Wala pang penalty. Okay? 57-52 in favor of Prostax. Jong, nalibre si number 7. Substitution din ang kapitendo. Stolen by John Paul to Ramsey. Nagkagawa na out of bounds. Last touch by number 28, RSL. Substitution rep. Sino papalitan ko? Number 7, Jonas three. In. 57-52, 5-point lead by Pro Stars. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Foul by number 24. Penalty. Penalty, red penalty. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by 10-inch lights and sounds by Winston, Boss Winston Desiderio. First free throw, no good by Tony Pet. Second free throw, basket by Tony Pet. Nice job. Easy two by Joe. 2 points by Joe. 57-52. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang. Chris Mix nagkamadali. Block by Tony Pet. Nice block by Sir Tony Pet. 16-second shot clock. 16-second shot clock. Jump ball na rin sa 3. Air ball. Out of bounds. Substitution, right? Substitution. Boss Ramsey out. Kuya Marky. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40. 57-55 in favor of Pro Stars. 2 points na po. John. Pass to Tony Pet. Oh, sayang. Foul by number 99. Kuya Teddy. Two free throws for Tony Pet. First free throw. Basket by Sir Tony Pet. May substitution o reps up. Reps up pa mag-shoot. Second free throw. Air ball. Substitution. Teddy out. Kakapasok lang. Meron talaga Jonas in. Kuya Mark. Bigay daw. Sabi ng inyong coach. Chris Mix open for 3. Sobra. Rebound by Orly nagmamadali. Nagmamadali manakit. Ball by Joe. Drive to the basket. No. Number 28. Foul number 8. Pakilala sa number 8. Second personal foul by number 8. Our score 57-56. Our score 57 all. First deadlock of the game. Rep timeout daw ha after ng tira. Second shot. Nice shot by John Paul inbounds the ball. Pass to Mark. Nagano ang pasahan. To Chris Mix. Jonas. Fast foul by Tony Pet. Number 23 foul. First personal foul by Sir Tony Pet. Number 23. 2 free throws for Jonas. Teka na po. May rep substitution daw. No good for the ball. Sap. Teka na. Second shot for Jonas. No good. Rebound by Orly. Norben, pass to Tony Pet. To Joe. 24 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 7, 6, 5. No good. Rebound by John Paul. Nagmamadali si John Paul. Pass to Kuya. Sakuya, no good trick to Jonas. Sobra. To John Paul, out of bounds. Last touch by John Paul. Next time go. Timeout, Exile. Pakinggan na lang ang buzzer, ha? Pakinggan ang buzzer. Lamang po ng isa ang Exile. Joe, may tangan ng bola. Foul by Chris. Penalty. Penalty. Joe shooting for 2. Fresh shot made by Joe. No more time on left ang Prostax, ha? Exile. Joe for his second free throw. 16-37, 3-point lead. By okay, out of bounds. 4.9 seconds. Seconds. 3-point lead by the Exile. Exile White. Tony Pet pass to Leo. Foul. Leo Reliano of Explosion shooting his first free throw. Kinabahan, no good. Surbo daw si Leo. No good. Rebound by